What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Dsers account to your Shopify store in order to import products to sell on your store. So let's get right to it. So if you do not know, Dsers is a great platform for dropshipping that basically integrates with Aliexpress to allow you to list Aliexpress products or import Aliexpress product and list them on your Shopify store for dropshipping in order to be able to sell them. So first of all, of course, you need to have a Dsers account. So if you go to dsers.com and then you apply or register or create a new account, it's a pretty straightforward and simple process. It's free as well. And also you want to make sure before you do sign up with Dsers that you already have an AliExpress account. So you are registered to AliExpress and then you are here. I'm signed in with my account on AliExpress because Dsers will ask you to import or to enter your login details of AliExpress in order to connect with AliExpress, because Dsers by itself doesn't carry products. However, it shows you listings from AliExpress. So here, as you can see, I'm signed into my Dsers account. And what you want to do here on Shopify is to install the Dsers app. So go here to apps on the menu on the left. And then if a search pops up right here, just enter Dsers, hit enter. Okay, and here it is, Dsers Aliexpress Dropshipping. That's the app we want to use. Now click on it and make sure it's the official one available by Dsers, and you want to install it. And here you want to click on install. And here it'll open up the Dsers page, and it'll ask you to confirm or authorize the link to link your Dsers account to your Shopify store. Okay, confirm. Okay, and now it's completed. And here it gives me this pop-up because I linked an old Shopify store, so it asks me to relink it. However, I will not do this right now. And now it'll open up the Dsers page once again. And in here, you want to go to find suppliers if it doesn't redirect you automatically to this page. So here you can find many products to link or to your Shopify store to sell them. And you can filter them by location to ship from. So like China, France, United States, and so on. And you can here sort by default, order, newest price, and stuff like that. So here you can also browse these items, or you can go by category. So here, if we go next to AliExpress, there is a menu here. So 3 lines. If you click on it, we can browse the categories, the different categories. So let's say sports and entertainment. Okay, click on it if you want to sell sports related products to on your Shopify store. So let's say I want to sell this hook, for example, for fishing. Click on it if you want to see the product details. So it'll open up AliExpress, the page of the product on AliExpress, because as I told you, Dsers itself doesn't carry products. It links to AliExpress. So here you can find all the details about the product if you want to sell it. And if we go back to the Dsers page here, once I hover over the product, there is a button here that says add to import list. So let's add it to our import list, and I'll show you how to add products from the import lists to your Shopify store later. Okay, and let's add this rope also. Okay, add to import list. Okay, and now we are importing products directly from the Dsers website itself. However, you can also import products directly from the AliExpress page itself, from the AliExpress website. However, to do so, you need to install the Dsers plugin or extension for Chrome. So if you go here to the Chrome store and install the Dsers extension, we will be able to import products directly from AliExpress website. However, it is not necessary, since you can search and get products from the Dsers website and import them to your Shopify store. So let's go ahead and close this window of AliExpress and go back to our Dsers. As you can see here, there is the import list. There are 3 products because there was a product that I imported earlier. So these are the 2 products. Here you can push both product or all the products to store. If you click on check and check this button, you can push all to store, or you can just select the products that you want to push to the store, or individually you can hover over any product and then click on push to store right here. So once you import them to your Shopify store, you can edit all their info, title, and so on. However, you can edit them before even you import the product to your Shopify store. So let me show you how to do it. Here you can click on edit products, or you can bulk edit the product name if you have like many products that you want to add the same name to. And here let me edit this product. So here I'll just edit the title, since the title of the products on AliExpress are too long and not like accurate. So here let me add like 2-meter. However, you should enter like the specific title for your product, and here in the organization I'll just import it to my store. You can add it to a collection or add a type here, or tags or vendor. So just leave these details as they are right here. And you can also change the image of the product. Okay, in the next tab here you have the variants. So here you have 3 variants for the product depending on the color. So a red one, a purple one, and a blue one. You can sell all 3 of them, or list all 3 of them on your website if you want to. However, like let's say I want to only list the violet one and or the purple one and the blue one. So I'll just select the red one right here and then click on remove SKU. That'll remove this variant, and as you see here, this variant, the red variant, is now removed. And now here it'll give you the cost and the shipping cost for the item. So like $13 and $3.08, so it's about $16. So you want to sell it, of course, on your Shopify store for a higher price and get the price difference as a profit. So let's sell it for $30. Okay, and here you can enter a compare ad price. So let's say it was $39.99 and then it's on sale and it sells now for $30 on your website. So here you can see the stock on store, and you can also edit the price for the blue one. Let's say the blue one is a bit cheaper, so like $28, and it was also $39.99. Okay, and here the description tab, you can add the description. It will import by default the description of the product on AliExpress. However, if you find that is too long and it's not accurate or like misleading, you can enter your own description. So here I'll just enter, for example, basic rope. Okay, and here in the overview you get the description as well as the product details and some images. So it looks good, and here you have the images. You can import the images that you want to and deselect the ones that you do not want. So I will not change anything right here. And here in the shipping info, you can view the shipping info and shipping rates for different countries. Let's say if I want to like ship it to the Ecuador, it'll show me like the shipping companies and shipping costs for this country, as well as the estimate delivery times. Okay, and now let's just save it. And then you can push this product to the store. So if we click on push to store here, just go to your Shopify store and then hit settings. And here you want to view the numbers here, or the letters, like the store number or store like ID here before the .myshopify.com. And here go back to the import list. And now this is the one that we want to push to. And here you want to click on push to stores. Okay, now here it's like the status of one product being pushed. And now it is successfully pushed to our store or imported to our Shopify store. Now to make sure the product is imported to our store, let's close the settings and let's go to products. And as you can see here, the product is now added to our store. You can click on it to change the details that we already changed on or we can change on Dsers. And here you can edit the title. So let's say 2-meter rope, and the descriptions, the specs. Here you have the photos that are imported. You have the 2 variants that are imported with the pricing that we added. So that's basically it. That's how easy it is to import products from Dsers right to your Shopify store for dropshipping.